people don't realize about living in the Triangle area is just how many unique things there are to do on the weekends. Take this Cars and Coffee event that I'm going to in Durham this morning. You'll see everything from vintage classics to Ferraris and Lamborghinis. And it's completely free to walk around. It's one of those community events that really shows off the personality of this area. Between things like this, the greenway trails, local breweries, festivals, there's always something happening here. So how is this Cars and Coffee event? Let's take a closer look. Holy cow, it's bananas here. I've been to the Cars and Coffee in Raleigh, and it's a fraction of this size. I entered the parking lot in a single-file line of traffic that snaked through the rows of cars already parked. Luckily, someone was leaving as I approached them, and I snagged their spot. Time to look around. I didn't notice a lot of groupings, but this array did stand out. 7 Kia Stinger turbos all lined up. The motorcycle brigade entered together, and that was something to see and hear. Such a dichotomy of cars parked next to one another. A Porsche Turbo next to a Morgan three-wheeler. Great photo op. I had a few favorites, and this was definitely one of them. A 1964 Plymouth Belvedere, 426 Hemi with a cross ram. It had been tubbed, but not to a great degree, just enough to show a little bit more tire and make a statement. This car was another favorite. I met Hank, whose family acquired this car in 1968. It's a 63 split-window Corvette with only one repaint in 1973. 63 was the only year to offer the split window, and many owners actually cut them out come 1964 when the new models had a one-piece back glass. That fact alone makes these cars all the more cool to see. Are you looking for a little camber on your S2000 Honda? And this is my final favorite car, a 1963 Dodge Polara 500. Very similar to the 64 Belvedere that was featured earlier. Both early 60s B-body Chryslers, both big blocks. While the other one was a Hemi, this is a 426 Max Wedge. And check out those original hose clamps and fasteners. One thing we're seeing more of these days are classic 60s muscle cars with drivetrains from their modern counterparts. There were several lowriders parked together. I had never seen the intricate hydraulics in the trunk that create their distinctive movements. From the Mike Brady 75 Caprice convertible to a McLaren, followed by a worn but complete 67 Corvette Roadster, there's such a variety of vehicles here, and as wide a variety of attendees. It's a great family outing on a Saturday morning. It's the kind of event where the community comes together and you can see grandeur parked next to absolute garbage. This event is a must-see for car buffs. So that's a wrap on Cars and Coffee Durham for this time. It's a monthly event though, and I do plan on coming back as the weather gets warmer. This is just one of the many fun and family-oriented activities that are available here. I'm Triangle Realtor Greg Parsons, and if you're thinking about a move to this part of North Carolina, I'd love to be your guide. My contact information is in the comments below. Please give me a call.